Hi everyone, my name is Casey Ayers and welcome to my course, Business Analysis, Assessing and Improving Solutions, part of our ECBA, CCBA, and CBAP prep series, helping you prepare for the certifications offered by the International Institute of Business Analysis. This course can also help you earn continuing education credits for these and other certifications, and is a great resource if you're just looking to improve your craft as a business analyst. Business analysis efforts create tremendous value for organizations of all kinds and sizes, but ensuring this value is actually achieved demands we be able to objectively assess our work to date, identify any challenges that might be holding us back, and recommend actions that empower our organization to continue increasing the solution's value. In this course, we're going to focus on these solution evaluation objectives. By the end of this course, you'll be able to define what success means for your business analysis efforts, be able to identify solution and enterprise-level constraints that keep us from reaching our solution's full potential, and be ready to chart a path forward to surmount these challenges and exploit opportunities to make solutions more valuable. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with some of the principles of business analysis, project management, or related fields, and have an interest in learning more about how you can maximize value for your organization. I hope you'll join me on this journey to improve your skills with business analysis, assessing and improving solutions here at Pluralsight.